guys, it's Michaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing for the month of December. This is the last box of the year. If you are new to Boxycharm, it is a beauty subscription box. You get hair care, makeup, skincare. They pick out 2 items, you pick out 3 items, and it's just something I've enjoyed for this is my 3rd year using it and I absolutely love it. I get so excited every single month because it's stuff that I normally wouldn't pick out for myself, or when I'm doing the add-ons, sometimes what I'll do is find items in my collection that are needing some more of, like if I'm missing something and I need more of it, then I'll go ahead and choose those. So it's kind of nice to just kind of get stuff I normally wouldn't get when I'm out and about, or just picking stuff out for myself, or just don't feel like spending money on when I'd rather spend it on other things. So it's really good for those kinds of purposes. But the first item in my box is my first power pick, and it is this Pro Berry Pore Refining Toner. This clarifying toner is like a reset button for your face, unclogging pores, saying bye-bye to impurities, and telling excess oil to chill out. And the best part, your skin feels fresh and hydrated. And I tried it out this morning and it's actually, I'm wearing all of the products today, so it retails for $58. And I tried it out this morning and I can never tell with toners on the first try. I liked the ones I've gotten in the past. So we'll see. I like the color of it. I think it's very beautiful. I think I'll enjoy playing with this. And actually earlier this year I started wearing toners every day. So that is something new I've incorporated since I got a toner not too long ago. So I've been incorporating these lately and it's really helped my skin a lot. And then the next item, so this next item I think they put it in the box wrong, but I was supposed to get the Ciate London plumping primer, and instead I got the K Voss Fairy Dust. And at first I was kind of irritated because I'm like, that's not what was supposed to come in the box. However, and I still might email them, however, I don't like plumping products, so I'm not entirely mad that they put this in the box instead. I think it was just an accident. I believe that this was technically my supposed to be my second power pick, but I am enjoying this highlighter. Again, I tried it on this morning and I really like it. I just mixed the 2 highlighters together and it creates a really pretty highlight shade on me, so I'm not mad at it. However, I don't like that they said I was getting one thing and I ended up getting another. But I mean, for being someone who doesn't like plumping products, it's not the worst thing in the world to me. And then now to my 3 my picks. The first one I got would be the Ace Beauté 3-piece face brush set. Again, you can never have too many brushes in my opinion, but these face brushes are on their way to becoming your everyday staples. This set includes everything you need for a flawless base: a foundation brush, powder brush, and contour brush. With their sleek profile, comfortable grip, and soft bristles, they're the perfect addition to any makeup bag, and it retails for $28. I did use this to apply the highlighter that I got, and yeah, so far so good. Again, this is my first impression, so I'm not going to really know a whole lot, but I mean, I'm happy so far with the brushes and they feel soft. I mean, I've never been mad at an Ace Beauté product in my box. Product I got, my pick, is the TYS Beauty Final Treat and Clear Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. Picture this: a refreshing weightless mist that sets your makeup all day long while helping to make those pesky pores disappear. This stuff is basically a hydration boost for your face thanks to the hyaluronic acid. Spritz as your makeup's grand finale and voila, your skin is locked in, pores blurred, and those fine lines, well, they're taking a back seat, and it retails for $24. And I'm running low on setting spray, so I was glad I was able to get this. However, it feels sticky going on the face, and I'm like, that's not how I want a setting spray to feel. I want to feel refreshed. I don't want to feel like it's sticking to my face. And it's been a little while since I put it on, and I still kind of feel that stickiness, but it has worn off a little bit. My face feels kind of like it feels like the Milk Gripping Primer, which I don't like. I don't like gripping primer, so it kind of feels like that, except for it's on top of makeup instead of underneath makeup. I'll have to play around with this more. I'll have to test the wear on this, but so far I'm not liking it. The last item in my box is the IGK Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Refresh second, third, or even fourth day hair with this super power dry shampoo. It's infused with oil absorbing charcoal powder to nix grease in seconds. And it retails for $32, and I'm happy I got this. I was needing some more dry shampoos in my collection. I love getting hair care in my beauty boxes because it's not something I like to shop for on my own, but it is things that I am needing. So I've actually gotten hair care in probably most of my boxes since they've switched from Boxycharm to Ipsy. So I'm liking it. I mean, I tried it on this morning, and so far my hair feels pretty good. I'm on day 2, day 3 hair now, so I'll have to try it like once I'm on like day 4 hair. But so far I am liking it. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if that is not what you're into but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.